Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Machi, where learning English is clear, calm, and confident.
Hi, Pooja. Hello, wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here with you today.
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you, Rocky?
I'm great, Pooja. A little tired this morning, but that's normal, right?
Oh, yes, mornings can be hard, but they're also full of opportunity.
That's true. And that's our topic for today, morning habits in English.
I love this topic. Our morning routine sets the tone for the whole day.
Exactly. So before we begin, a quick message for our amazing community.
Yes, if you enjoy these conversations, please give us a like, subscribe, and share with friends who are learning English. Your support helps us grow.
Thank you so much. Now, Pooja, what's your perfect morning like?
My perfect morning starts at 6:30 a.m. First, I drink a glass of warm water.
Oh, that's healthy. I do that too.
Then, I spend 5 minutes writing in my gratitude journal.
Gratitude journal. That sounds nice. What do you write?
I write 3 things I'm thankful for. For example, I'm thankful for my health, or I'm thankful for my family.
That's beautiful. It starts the day with positivity.
Yes. After that, I do 10 minutes of light stretching.
Stretching is so important. I always feel stiff in the morning.
Me too. Stretching wakes up the body gently. No jumping or running, just slow, calm movements.
What's next in your routine?
I take a shower, get dressed, and make a cup of green tea.
Green tea? Not coffee?
Sometimes coffee, but usually green tea. It's lighter and calmer.
I understand. Then what?
I sit quietly for 5 minutes. No phone, no news, just breathing.
Wow, that sounds peaceful. I wish I could do that.
You can. Start with 1 minute. Just close your eyes and breathe slowly.
Okay, I'll try it tomorrow. Now, what about breakfast?
I eat something simple, oatmeal with fruit or toast with avocado.
Healthy and easy. Do you plan your day in the morning?
Yes, I look at my calendar and write my top 3 tasks for the day.
Top 3 tasks, not 10?
No, 3 is enough. If I finish those, it's a successful day.
That's smart. Less stress, more focus.
Exactly. Now, Rocky, what does your morning look like?
Mine is a little different. I wake up at 7 a.m. First thing, I check my phone.
Oh no, the phone first?
I know. I'm trying to change that. But old habits are hard to break.
It's okay. Awareness is the first step.
After that, I make coffee, strong black coffee.
Classic. Then,
I walk my dog, Max. He gets very excited in the morning.
a walk is great exercise and fresh air.
Yes, while we walk, I think about my goals for the day.
That's a good use of time.
When we come back, I take a shower, get dressed, and eat breakfast, usually eggs and toast.
Simple and filling. Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, I play calm instrumental music while I get ready. It keeps me relaxed.
I do that too. Sometimes piano, sometimes acoustic guitar.
Now, let's talk about common morning phrases you can use in English.
Great idea. Here are some useful ones. One of my morning habits is I start my day by I feel most productive when my favorite part of the morning is.
And if you're tired, you can say, I'm not a morning person. Or, I need coffee before I can talk.
Many people say that.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. My morning routine starts at 7.
Good. Now say, I drink tea and stretch for 10 minutes.
Excellent. One more. I write 3 things I'm grateful for.
You're doing wonderfully.
Now, let's talk about challenges. What if your morning is busy?
Even 5 minutes helps. You can drink water while brushing your teeth, Take 3 deep breaths before leaving home. Say one positive sentence. Today will be a good day.
Small steps lead to big changes.
Yes, and remember, your morning doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours.
Now, a question for you, dear listener. What's one small habit you'd like to add to your morning?
Maybe drinking water, or saying thank you out loud, or just smiling in the mirror.
Whatever it is, start small, be kind to yourself, and keep going.
Before we go, let's review our key phrases. My morning routine starts at, I feel most calm when, one of my habits is, I'm not a morning person, but I'm trying.
These phrases will help you talk about your life in English, naturally and confidently.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation about morning habits.
If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the English Machi, and share it with someone who needs a calm morning.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite morning habit? Or what's one new habit you want to try?
We read every comment, and your stories inspire us.
Thank you for being here with us today.
Remember, small habits, big confidence.
See you next time on The English Machi.